We got sleepy cats. Sleepy cats. And we have a winter storm. It's still going on. Look at my deck. Oh my. Anyway, I can't get out here. Can't open the door. The car's buried. The Jeep is up the end of the driveway in case I have to get out for emergency. I'm supposed to have a dentist appointment at 1:30 to have a tooth extracted. There's you can hardly see the Jeep. Go down and look out the basement windows. There's my gear pile up ready to go down to the basement. Holy smoke, look at that. Whew. Yeah, lots of snow. And it's still coming down. I have to wear the heavy boots when I... Alright, check out the front window in here. Oh yeah, look. Pile right up in front of the window. This is the biggest storm we've had this year, so we can't complain about it. There's one of my calendars I had made. That's February. Well, there'd be no deer coming tonight. I still got to set another keyboard up there yet. Maybe that's what I'll do some wiring. Get this stuff back. Huh. I'll open up the bedroom window here. There we go. Holy smokes. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. No tracks. Alright, now I gotta clean that up. Holy smokes. I got snow in the lens.